Okay, you guys. Today I got my first Spin Master Monster Jam. Smash and Bash with Zombie Part of Series 2, guys. The body actually breaks in these. There it is in the crack on the actual plastic, which is nice. I like that detail. Zombie render. There's a back real trucker action Monster Jam. Pretty cool. Monster Jam logo. Of course, the bottom has all the the die cast. Of course, I'm not sure. I don't think it's die cast. I think it's plastic. I don't think it's metal like the original ones. Oh, the tires are the same. Alright, here it is. Oh, okay. So we put the light on it. Okay, so here's the zombie. Gotta do is put them back together. If I can, because I never really had one of these. This is the first time I buy a Smash and Bash. There's this. It's a normal zombie body. There it is. That's not split. The brain and all that. Yeah. It's actual plastic. And the window is plastic too. Zombie, green roll cage. It has the real tires, which is good. Dark rims and Beadlocks reminds me of the Hunter series that they had. And the brain. Let's go ahead and break it. See if we can. There we go. He just broke apart. That's cool. There it is, guys. All broken into pieces. Pretty cool. And simply reset it when you're done. It's hard to do with one hand. See? There you go. Now you can bash it some more. There you go, guys. So all you gotta do is hit the front of the axle for it to break open like that. It's pretty cool. These are at Target now. They're a little more expensive. They're like, I think they're like $6, I think, compared to the normal diecast. So they're pretty cool, guys. I think I'm just gonna buy this of the series. I'm not quite sure I'm gonna buy more, but I love how the body's just breaking in pieces, which is cool. That's a little realism right there. Alright, guys, so like, subscribe, comment. Check out more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed, everybody.